Advanced robotics, computers, automation, they're all important parts of one of the most exciting careers available, advanced integrated manufacturing. Today, manufacturing means buildings full of high-tech automated machinery. There's a growing need for qualified technicians who are skilled problem solvers. Advanced Integrated Manufacturing, or AIM, is a cutting-edge career you can begin learning right out of high school. At Thomas Nelson, you can earn your AIM degree in just 2 years of full-time classes and experience on-location internships at leading local manufacturers. At Thomas Nelson, AIM students can earn a lot more and have a lot less student debt, and AIM graduates are in high demand right out of school, which is just the beginning of a stable mobile career. Find out more today about the career of the future, the AIM program at Thomas Nelson Community College. AIM for success.